The starter has them. The light blinks. Gates Fly racing. Better Lad began only fairly. Red Snap, Nitroglycerin went back shortly after the break. Biggie from the inside. Spill the Secret deeper out. Mashani Conman between them began well. Allura Enzo will settle fourth. Master Red fifth. Better Lad goes to midfield on the inside of Mount Fuji, then Virgo Vision, Nitroglycerin second last, and Red Snap is 3/4 of a length away as Biggie led them out at the back. At the half-mile marker, Biggie's a length in front of Spill the Secret. Mount Fuji travelling 3 wide, strides to third. Mashani Conman fourth, 1 deep on the outside of Allura Enzo, and then Better Lad, Master Red, Virgo Vision, Nitroglycerin, and Red Snap will have to come from the tail of the field. Biggie's the leader. They're at the top of the lane with 450 metres left to run, and Biggie showed the way to Spill the Secret. Mount Fuji's travelled wide from the word go. Mashani Conman comes around their heels. Better Lad sticks to the inside, and Red Snap coming right down the outside. Mount Fuji hit the lead with 150 metres left to go. He travelled 3 deep throughout. He's broken clear. Spill the Secret, Mashani Conman, Better Lad chasing in vain. Mount Fuji wins. Mount Fuji from Better Lad, Spill the Secret, Mashani Conman in photos for the minors. Then Red Snap, followed by Virgo Vision and Biggie. Further back was Nitroglycerin, Master Red, and Allura Enzo got tired and wound up at the tail of the field. Mount Fuji, 3 wide the entire, ridden by Mark Duplessis, has won the money. 1:18.71. The time, final 635.